Hello, my friends. My name is Richard Weberg, for those of you who do not know me. And in today's video, I am going to be covering Spark, which is a part of Affiliate Mentor and just recently launched. So make sure you watch this entire video if you have already joined us in Affiliate Mentor or you're following the video series that I'll show you in a second, because there are very important updates to understand when you go through the rest of my video series that this video is going to be plugged into in the front end of it, because I want you to be aware of the changes that have taken place. So the video series I'm talking about first is, if you go underneath this video, you can click on my name at any point after the video is over. You click on it, it brings you to my channel. On my channel, you scroll down once you're on it and you'll see how to make $10,000 per month in affiliate marketing as a beginner. This video is going to be placed somewhere right in this very beginning so that you understand the changes, because in my videos, I literally explain the cost of Affiliate Mentor a couple times. I explain what Affiliate Mentor is all about, how fabulous it is, and all of that kind of stuff. And I want you to know now that there are changes, so when following these videos, you'll understand, as well as they launched Spark, what I mentioned at the beginning of this video, which means that people can get started in Affiliate Mentor now for $25 one-time cost. And you can literally turn $25 one time into $500 daily with this Spark system. And one thing that you will get access to once you join Affiliate Mentor, if you haven't already, is you will get access immediately to the Facebook group. You'll get a welcome email. It'll be in your back office as well. I'll show you in a second where that is. And you will literally join the Facebook group. But in this Facebook group, the thing I want you to be aware of is when you get in here, just start scrolling down and start seeing all the people that are reporting sales. And of course, some people report their sales, some people don't. That's normal. Not everybody is as active in this group, just like me. I don't do a lot of posting on Facebook anymore because I'm so busy with marketing our business, and we also now sell our traffic to help people out as well for the things that they're promoting. I'll talk about that at the end here, but go through this Facebook group and you're going to see a lot of the active people and a lot of people that are posting over and over again, making sales. Now, we make a lot of sales through Affiliate Mentor. I only come in here once in a while and report it and show people for proof, because I really want other people to get accolades and all that kind of stuff and to come in here and report their sales, because we are the top earners in the company. And I know the owners very well and all that kind of stuff, but we really want other people to stand out. But go through these posts once you join the Affiliate Mentor group, and you're going to see all the success that people are having with this new Affiliate Mentor Spark product, because literally now the barrier of entry has been reduced to nothing. And this is digital products, so this whole system is available everywhere, all around the world, because it's digital, the products are digital, and the barrier of entry based on a $25 one-time cost means anybody can get started in Spark. It is the perfect marketing, what we call hook, because of the fact of the headline alone. Turn $25 one time into $500 daily. I mean, who doesn't want to do that? Everybody does. And the program works, and the people behind it are absolutely amazing. They are not new to this stuff. They've been doing it for years and years and years and years. But this system and new Spark product are new. And this changes my video series, like I said, because in the video series, I also spell out the other products in Affiliate Mentor that you can purchase. And you can literally become a VIP and qualify for $500 bonuses and $250 matching checks. And with Spark, you get them, but they're smaller. But there are some bigger bonuses that you can make with Affiliate Mentor and through the VIP. And I explain that through my series. And I also explain the back office of Affiliate Mentor. Like right now, I am sitting on a tab in here called Auto Recruiter. And this tab never used to be here. And that's why it's so important that you watch this whole video, because you learn that when following my other videos, some of these tabs won't be here, but it's okay. Everything still exists from my other videos that I point out in the series. But all you got to do is click around. Here's the start here. That's where you want to start, of course. But then these other tabs, the links, your marketing links used to be under Core. Now they're under Auto Recruiter. So you click on Auto Recruiter, it opens up this sub menu, and then you click on Links. And once you do that, it opens up this back thing for all these different links that you will have. And one of the main ones, of course, is this one right here. This is a VSL, means video lead page. And anytime somebody becomes a lead in any of these pages, they'll be back here under leads. They also go in your system, and the company follows up on your behalf. I've explained that all in different videos. You can see this has produced 39 sales for us. And sometimes the sales don't show up here. They'll show up underneath one of these videos, because when they become a lead, like this has produced 117 leads for us, but it says 0 sales. That's not necessarily true, because through the follow-up, they end up purchasing, and maybe I sent them one of the other links and they ended up purchasing. This is just the initial lead point that some of our leads came through. And you can see with the one newer page that we just got access to, we already got 17 leads from it. And I already know a bunch of these people purchased because of the fact that I've tracked it when they've signed up, because you get an email notification every time you make a sale. So you know exactly where those leads came from. And plus in here, it's got tagging, which you don't need to know anything about. You'll learn the whole system is geared that way, as you'll see through my videos. But knowing that any of these things will bring you eventually to something I'm showing in my video series. Just know that the menu has changed, but there's always literally, you click on one thing and it opens up a sub menu. Very easy to navigate and find stuff. You just got to click around and you'll be able to find your way and navigate to what I'm talking about when you're going through this video series, how to make $10,000 per month in affiliate marketing as a beginner. And all I want to say also is Spark, this product, I'm going to close these out, is it's put a lot of people in the group and like personally in communications with people that I talk to and our team and all that kind of stuff, of how the people are getting sales. They're finding this one of the easiest entry-level products to promote, to get people into the system, and it's doing wonders for them, where these people are making, some of them, a lot of money very fast. There's one gentleman in here that's made like $4,000 in the first 30 days because of the Spark product. It kicked him into gear, and he started getting sales like clockwork, like literally, and he's doing fabulous. And there's a lot of people in this team and in this group that are getting results like that, they're very active in posting, where everybody is not, like I explained to you. But tons of people, here's someone right here, woke up to another sale. The sales are happening in here all of the time, and this shows you the proof that real people are getting results. And so after you join, that's why I really want you to look through this group. You'll see that the community, the people behind it, Greg and Mandy and Jay Joshua, they're active all the time. They do webinars, they do lives, they congratulate people, they recognize people, they train people, they educate people. They're all about, this is a true affiliate mentor program that literally has products and services that you don't have to do anything to get the monetization. It's all done for you on the back end. All you do is share your links. But again, Spark, turn $25 one time into $500 daily. Who doesn't want to do that? This is an amazing hook, and people are loving it. And this is very important to understand this, like I said. And again, I'll put this video somewhere in the very beginning right here before you start going through the main videos in the series. So you understand that if you're brand new and you've just joined us, that be aware of the navigation and the things I show you when I'm showing you how to do things. And the last part I want to cover is, we share with you all the different methods we get traffic. The system has built-in traffic in it as well, Affiliate Mentor. But we generate so much traffic that me and my son, we actually sell our traffic. So I'll leave a link, below this video or any video there's a more button. I'll go down here and show less, but underneath any video, you click on more. See this right here? And it opens up the full description. I will have a link to join one of our team members in Affiliate Mentor. You could be joining us, could be joining somebody else, and it doesn't matter. We're all part of a giant team, but some people have purchased advertising directly through us, and we promote for other people. So this will be the first video that does have a link that shares all of our people's links. Well, not all of them, all the people that have purchased some traffic from us, and that can vary from time to time who's in that list. But just join whoever you land on, because it doesn't matter in the system. That's what we will do for you if you purchase traffic for us through us as well. But I'll leave a link to that so you can at least check out our 2 traffic packages that we offer, because like I said, we generate so much traffic we actually sell it now as well. And other than that, my friends, just be aware that again, the menu in your back office is going to be different than I show in my videos, but just click on these. Don't be afraid to click on anything back here. You're always going to find your way to what I'm talking about. This auto recruiter is more the beginning now, and then you got core, VIP. These are the other products, and you got Spark, which is the entry level. That's how you begin. You join Spark for $25 one-time cost, and you can literally make up to $500 daily with the system. So other than that, my friends, we will see you in another video, and have a great day.